Well, it is a Saturday afternoon and I am in the office. Like every Saturday, I try to get into the office whenever I can, especially Saturdays in the spring and in the summer, because we know that a very busy time for our law firm is the spring and summer times when people are out, especially on the weekends. And like every Saturday morning, I actually got a call, like I always seem to do Saturday morning, from an individual who was stopped, unfortunately, for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania. And whenever I give advice, especially on the weekends regarding suspicion of DUI or WI in New Jersey, I always start with do not refuse the chemical test. But prior to that, it's also important to understand that before getting that chemical test, the police officer more than likely will ask you a series of questions. And it's important to understand that you have to remain calm in this situation. I understand that it's a stressful situation. I myself was actually stopped coming back from court last week, and I was going a little fast, and the officer stopped me. Didn't give me a ticket, gave me a warning. It was very nice, very professional. But even I was nervous, and I obviously do this for a living. I've represented hundreds of thousands of people in and out of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and I understand what I should and should be doing when I'm stopped by a police officer. But nevertheless, I was nervous. Now, with regards to being nervous and understanding what to do, I always tell people, give your license, registration, proof of insurance, and that is it. Don't volunteer any information. Don't tell the officer anything else other than that. Be respectful, be upfront with the officer, but don't go beyond that. When you start volunteering information, especially where you're going, where you've been, simply answer the officer with regards to all those questions. Simply say, officer, I'm just going to give you like my license, registration, proof of insurance, and if you're going to cite me for something, obviously, I hope that you don't, but if you have to, you have to. And leave it at that. Don't go beyond that. Remember, field sobriety tests, you have the right to refuse those, but more than likely, if you refuse, the officer's going to make note of that. They could give you a field breathalyzer test in some situations, but again, if the officer's going to arrest you, don't get in his or her way, don't argue with them, let them arrest you and go from there. Things like asking for permission to search the car. Remember, warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. They're not permissible in Pennsylvania. I had a individual call me this morning when he was stopped for DUI. The officer also asked for permission to search the car. He gave permission. But remember that in Pennsylvania, police in most situations need a warrant to search the car. And the fact that you're being arrested does not mean the car is going to be impounded and towed. Now, if the car is in a position where it needs to be towed, they will tow it and possibly do an inventory search, but simply giving them permission negates all your constitutional rights. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, GamboneLaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, a weekly e-update, which I'll link into this video. It's a fantastic e-update, brings together all of our most popular content from this past week. In addition, we have our monthly mailed newsletter, which goes out each and every month to all of our current and former clients. It's mailed out each and every month. Yes, we still do a mailed newsletter. It brings together our latest content from the past month, our most popular blog articles. But we do all this, we offer all this no-cost content because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great case. And in addition, we make ourselves available. Our law firm, I always tell people, if you want to know more about us, it's simple. It's a simple Google search. You can read our reviews. You can find all our content. We put out a lot of content. We probably put out more content than any law firm in Pennsylvania and New Jersey on a regular basis. We never keep the same content up. We keep it constantly updated on our website. I'm very proud of that. Despite being very, very busy with a very busy trial calendar, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, we still manage to keep our website fresh. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Saturday. Please enjoy it responsibly. And again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. And I'll talk to you all very soon.